In this video, I'll show you how to deploy your Lovable project on Vercel. First, open your project in Lovable. Once you are inside, look at the top right corner and click on the GitHub icon. This will sync your Lovable project directly to your GitHub account. Make sure the sync is fully completed before moving to the next step. If you do not have a GitHub account yet, you will need to create one first, as Vercel uses GitHub to import your project. Once your project is synced to GitHub, open Vercel in a new tab. If you do not have a Vercel account, go ahead and create a free one at vercel.com. Once you are logged into Vercel, click on Add New Project. Make sure your GitHub account is connected to Vercel. You will see a list of all your GitHub repositories. Find your Lovable project from the list and click Import. On the next page, you will see some configuration settings. You do not need to change anything here. Just keep all the default settings as they are and click Deploy. Vercel will now start building and deploying your project. This usually only takes a few seconds. You will see a progress bar as it deploys. Once the deployment is complete, you will see a congratulations screen confirming that your project is live. Click on Continue to Dashboard. From your dashboard, you can click on the preview image of your project to open it in a new tab. Your project is now live and running on a Vercel domain. You can copy that link and share it with anyone. That is how you do it.